Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this really natural, wearable, every single day makeup look for you guys. And I know we don't do that many natural looks on our channel, so I wanted to really switch it up with this one and give you guys something neutral. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you have your post notifications turned on, and then comment done. Unfortunately, our giveaways are only going to be US only from now on, so that's just a heads up. Only enter if you are in the US. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I just used this as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then set that in place with some translucent powder, and that just helps to blend out eyeshadows a little bit easier. And I do this every single time I apply eyeshadow because I feel like it just makes the eyeshadow appear more vibrant, and it just leaves the eyeshadow on all day. So for the eyeshadows today, I used some single shadows from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and I believe these are all the single shadows that she currently has out, but I only used a few of the matte shades to create this natural look for you guys. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Meow, which is this really neutral light pink type of shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I went into the shade Tan Tan, which is this tan color, and I grabbed a defined angled brush, and I started to apply that shade a little bit above my actual crease. And I like to use a angled brush because it really helps with control of the eyeshadow, and then I went in with a fluffier brush after just to blend it out. And I went into this darker matte brown shade called Neutral Nelly, and I applied that in my crease directly over top of where I applied the Tan Tan shade. And I feel like it just added really nice dimension to the crease. And then I took those two same shadows, Tan Tan and Neutral Nelly, and I packed them on the outer V area. So first I took Tan Tan with a big fluffy shader brush, and I just diffused that from the outer corner, fading it inwards, and then grabbing Neutral Nelly. And I actually grabbed a pencil brush, and I just focused that really close to the outer V area of my crease. And then I went back into my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer just to clean up the lid space, just so that we can brighten up the inner eye. And this really gives the appearance of bigger eyes. When you do this step, it'll just make your eyes look more awake. And then I went into the shade Shook, which is this really pale white shade, and I just packed that all over where we applied the concealer on the lid, just to set that in place, because if I don't, then it will crease up into my crease area, and I don't want that. For lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica. The link will be in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand and support our company. It would mean a lot to us if you guys would just check out the website and see if there's a lash that you would like to try out. And yeah, I went in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Double Life, and I just put that in my waterline just to give a really nice bronze effect in my waterline. And then I went into the shade Tan Tan once again, and I just buffed that all over my lower lashes, going in back and forth motions. And then I pretty much just grabbed the same shades that I put in my crease and applied them to the lower lashes. So then I went back into Neutral Nelly. And I just diffused that all over the lower lashes. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your post notifications, and make sure that when you do those things that you comment done if you are in the US, so that you could be entered in our giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.